It's another beautiful day out here in Glen Arm, Maryland. I'm Brian Wilkerson, and I am going to show you one of our client's cars here. His name is Derrick Bray. He brought this up from Georgia to have us do the twin turbo kit and a bunch of other work, but it is an extremely clean and extremely tastefully modified 2013 Nismo 370Z. Starting on the outside, the first thing you're going to notice are these exceptionally well-fitting SSR MS3 wheels, 11-inch wide in the back with a 325 Toyo R88R, 9.5 in the front, with a 285 R88R. Also got some carbon Nismo brake ducts, track spec Motorsports vents, and that is all for the outside other than the factory Nismo bodywork. The inside is mostly original, as it is a street car. You'll notice the seats are Nismo from a 2015 and up model, which are an excellent upgrade, and they bolt right in, which is nice. Inside here we have this eBoost 2. It's an electronic boost controller. And we also threw an ethanol content meter in here for him as well in the little cubby hole. Otherwise, we are all factory inside here except for a couple switches for some extras we've added. Diff cooler. I don't believe that's wired to anything yet, actually. Under the hood, we have a custom Mazworx built long block. It remains 3.7 liters, but it is pumping 10-to-1 compression, Jim Wolf C2 cams, Inconel exhaust valves, Darton sleeves. Quite a few tricks in this one by Mark down at Mazworx. Some obvious things here are the dual radium catch cans we've plumbed in. Part of our custom fuel setups we do on the 370Zs incorporates an injector dynamics IDF 750 fuel filter, and these are all XRP Pro Plus crimped together hoses. Got a regulator back here with a gauge just so you can monitor under the hood. The intercore pipes, obviously, that come with the Fast Intentions turbo kit, and that's really all you can see up top here, but she's nice and tidy. One pretty cool thing we did for Derrick's car is had his Fast Intentions intercooler anodized black, and that makes it blend in really well with the rest of the car. You can't even tell this thing has an intercooler, which makes it a sleeper for sure. Underneath he runs a Z-Speed under tray, and that is hiding the MA-Motorsports damper, Sucker Punch Motorsports oil pump, and the Gretty oil pan as well that comes with the turbo kit. As you can see, Derrick really does use this car. He drives the hell out of it, and it sees some use for sure. Modified this to make his oil changes a little easier. He's got the brake ducts in here again because he does actually use this car. And up in there are some Aragosta coilovers, which are pretty rare. You don't see those too often. You can see the ATS slave cylinder conversion. Inside of here is ATS triple carbon clutch, full 3-inch downpipes of the Fast Intentions turbo kit with recirculated wastegates. Makes this thing sound pretty tame when it in fact is not. Full dual 3-inch stainless CapEx exhaust system from Fast Intentions with the carbon mufflers. It's a pretty sweet setup. And you can see the Ilaria Tech differential cooler kit. He's had this in here for quite some time. And hoses and fittings for that, and a little temp sensor we added for him there. All SPL control arms back here. It's got Nismo subframe bushings as well. Solid diff bushings. Nismo diff, upgraded drive shaft shop axles, the pro level axles. You should hold this horsepower, no problem. Also got a Bell Raceworks diff brace up in here, which we had to modify to clear this exhaust. But that's a worthwhile upgrade. See your solid diff bushings up in there. So when we've finished it all up for him, we did an alignment here on our alignment rack, and we also corner balanced it for him. So this thing is ready to go to the next half-mile race or track day or daily driver, as he seems to do with it as well. So a little more about the engine in Derrick's car. Again, Mazworx built long block, Carrillo Pro rods, CP pistons, 10-to-1 forged pistons. Heads were ported by Mazworx, and they put 1mm larger valves in. The exhaust valves are in canal, and all of that, along with the dart and sleeves, are what allows this car to make 900 wheel horsepower. This is the Fast Intentions Stage 2.5 turbo kit. So 900 wheel horsepower on E90. It's a red Ignite race fuel, and this thing runs pretty cool doing it too, thanks to that fuel, which is pretty awesome. And we took it up to Vince at RT Tuning for the ECU Tech calibration. That's it for Derrick's car. If you guys have any questions about it, leave them in the comments. If anybody's interested in more details on a build like this one, shoot us an email or send us a message. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.